Hi students, welcome to our channel You to Learn. So we are here today to learn Intermediate Second Year 2A Chapter 2 De Moivre's Theorem. So in this video I'll be teaching you the important definitions and important formulae which have to be remembered to solve your problems. Okay, so important formulae which have to be remembered. So the first one, cis theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so and one more thing, cis theta to the power n can be written as cis n theta. Okay, where n belongs to Z. And the next one, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, where n is an integer. The fourth one, cos theta minus I sin theta to the power n can be written as cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Okay, and then cos theta plus I sin theta to the power of minus n can be written as cos of n theta minus I sin n theta. Okay, then cos square theta minus I square sin square theta can be written as cos square theta plus sin square theta, because I square is equal to minus 1, so minus and into minus 1 will become plus, right? So it will become plus here. This is equal to 1 again. So cos square theta minus I square sin square theta is equal to 1. So then the seventh one, cis alpha or cis theta, anything. So cis alpha into cis beta can be written as cis alpha plus beta. So here the condition is that alpha and beta should belong to R, that is real numbers. So now we'll move on to the eighth formula. So here we need to learn cube roots of unity. Okay, so what are the cube roots of unity? 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, and then omega cube is equal to 1, and then omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, then we'll move to nth roots of unity. So now nth roots of unity. So here always remember that sum of the nth roots of unity is 0. Okay, it's always 0. Like I'll tell you. 1 plus omega square plus so on up to omega power n minus 1 will be equal to 0 always. Okay. And the second point, product of the nth roots of unity. Okay, product of the nth roots of unity is always minus 1 the whole power n minus 1. Okay, and then omega is equal to always cos 2k pi by n plus I sin 2k pi by n. Okay, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. So these are the important formulae which you have to remember before proceeding to our problems. Okay, so these are the 9 formulae which you have to remember. So these are the list of long answer questions which are very important and they might appear in your exam for sure. So totally there are 13 questions. So these are the list of very short answer questions which are very important. There are totally 9 questions. Okay, so they might appear in your exam for sure. So that's it for today. I'll come again with long answer questions and short answer questions for this De Moivre's theorem chapter in my next video. Okay, bye.